Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm organizing my vitamins. I do this Saturday nights so that I'm ready for the following week. And I got this at Walmart years and years ago, and it's perfect for what I need. So if you want to see how I do this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Organizing my vitamins. I usually do this every Saturday night because this little pill case that I got at Walmart years ago starts with Sunday. And I'll show you what I take, and it's a lot. I take red yeast rice and cinnamon because I'm diabetic. Vitamin D, I always have a problem with vitamin D, so I'll take one day and 2 the next. And if I don't take it, I fall asleep constantly. Flaxseed oil and krill oil, both good for the heart. Biotin, it's good for the hair, the skin, the nails. When you're diabetic, your skin gets really dry and you have to worry about injuries. So the biotin definitely helps. And mushroom complex. This is kind of a cover-all. And evening primrose oil. It says it's for women's health. This is something my gynecologist told me to take before I had to have a mammogram, because she said that it desensitizes the breasts, which it does, and it also helps get rid of the PMS. My husband could always tell when I don't take it because I get cranky. And it also helps with relieving cramps. Stuff is amazing. And then I'm just going to pull out 7 of everything and fill it up. Now the cinnamon and the red yeast, I take this in the morning and again at night. So I'll fill up each one of these with the cinnamon. And then fill up the PM with 1. And I'll do the same with the red yeast rice. And now that I've opened this, I'm going to get a backup because I don't like running low on this stuff. And a lot of times Walmart carries a 2-pack that's a lot cheaper. So I always watch for them. Anytime I go into Walmart, I look to see if they have a 2-pack. And even if I don't need them, I'll get them. And this one's starting to get a little low, and I already have my backup. And I'm going to repeat the same with a single one in each one. I prefer taking krill oil because it's more concentrated than fish oil. It does the same thing basically, but it is more concentrated. And they say it's actually a little more pure. flaxseed. This decided to stick together, even though I had 2 of these in there. Why it happens, I don't know, because they're all kept in the same spot. Yeah, these are big. A little trick I found years ago is that if you take any of these gel caps, if you tilt your head forward and swallow with water, they go down easier. Instead of trying to tilt your head backwards. The primrose oil. These are pretty big too. But they go down so easy. All you do is put a capsule in your mouth, take a sip of water, tilt your head forward, and swallow. They float to the top of the water. And they go down a whole lot easier. Biotin's are little teeny tiny ones. And the vitamin D are small. And what I'll do is, today I took 1. So for tomorrow I'm going to take 2 vitamin E, or D. So it's 1, 2, 1, and 2. And this actually has kept my vitamin D level up high enough where I don't have to take the prescription vitamins anymore. Well, there it is, all set up for next week. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.